Please request second reading of the bill. The question is that the bill be read a second time. Those in favor? Those opposed? The ayes have it.
That's 15.2E. Clause 9 amends 15.2E to read as that.
I put the amendment for Clause 9. Those in favor? Those against? The ayes have it. I put as amended Clause 9. Those in favor? Those against? The ayes have it. Clause 10.
10 and 11 and 12 would be. You may put 10.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank you, members. Madam Speaker, it is of no real import, but I still mention it anyway, that I am now fully vaccinated. You and I, Madam Speaker, we have taken our second shot, and I made sure to have the cameras well positioned so that the skeptics and disbelievers could be satisfied. That, just to say, Madam Speaker, that we understand the hesitancy that people may have for vaccination, but we also understand the distrust that the country has for leadership, for government, and we go out of our way to show the people of Jamaica that we lead by example, and we are not asking them to do what we would not do.